Okay guys, so I know I look bummy right now, I look crusty right now, alright, but it's gonna change. Now ignore the soap, there's soap on my shirt, stop with that dirty mind. Alright, so here I am, trying on these pants, you know, the way that they are. Had to take the glasses off, cause, yeah, this is what we're working with. So, of course, I don't like this, but you're gonna see what I do with it, so we just gonna keep this rolled up because I'm lazy and yeah, roll with the punches, pun intended. So here I'm thinking about doing it like this. This is my version and what I'm used to, okay? And that's what it kind of look like. Or I can do this technique that I saw on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to put the image like right here somewhere if I can. But see, you take this part and you like pinch it, and then it kind of, well, stop it. Why is it not stopping? Stop. Just wanted to say a quick shout out to all the vets out there. Thank you so much for your services. Didn't plan this out. Okay, so right here I'm just like, I'm trying to make up my mind, but that's easier said than done. I'm really indecisive. So, I might have that fold right there, which is gonna piss me off, but it's better than nothing. And this is supposed to be high-waisted, y'all. I wanted it baggy. Really contemplating. I wanted it baggy, and I think this is like actually a small, but I don't know, it just didn't look right. So here I am again, and I made some edits, got some safety pins, like, can you see it? See that? And I'm using this some type of string. It's for buttons, heavy duty string. Yeah. So here you see me, I just made a simple stitch going down, and I'm also going to show you what this looks like in the end, so get ready for that. Alright, I'm wearing pants underneath it. Well, not pants, but shorts. What the hell? Anyway, so I'm wearing that underneath as planned, and this is what it looks like after I'm done, and I'm totally happy. So let's see what it look like now. Okay, yeah, love this outfit. Yeah, I'm happy. Please check out the deals for yourself or someone you love in the link and bio. Peace. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe as well, and I hope to see you soon.